music that uses unpleasant or painful or extremely loud or discordant sound. Noise is also a very dangerous musical trend that is hell-bent on destroying civilized culture. This anti-cultural movement is quickly sweeping the globe and is very dangerous for our youth. Noise music causes ear and brain damage. Noise music embraces rebellion, violence, nihilism, escapism, drugs, alcoholism, perversion, cult-like organization.
The sound of a dead soul.